Hey WordPressers, John Mendes here with a quick guide on optimizing videos for WordPress. Let's dive in and boost your site performance in just 3 minutes. First up, let's talk about formats. Stick to MP4 or WebM for best compatibility and compression. MP4 is widely supported, while WebM can be up to 30% smaller. Next, compress those files. Use free tools like Handbrake or online compressors for videos under 1 GB. This step is crucial for faster loading times. For embedded videos, here is a pro tip. Use YouTube preview thumbnails. This replaces heavy iframe with lightweight thumbnails, speeding up your site. If you are using sliders or background videos, upload them directly to WordPress. Browsers optimize loading for video tags automatically. Don't forget about CDNs. They are great for handling bandwidth and delivering video faster. Cloudflare's free version works well for a few videos. Lastly, optimize your SEO. Use all-in-one SEO plugin to set up a video sitemap and add a schema markup. This helps search engines understand and index your content better. And there you have it, WordPressers. Your quick guide to optimizing videos for WordPress. Remember, every second counts in user experience. Keep testing and optimizing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is John Mendes signing off. Keep those WordPress sites running smooth.